good morning everyone, especially to you, Ms. Kani. I am Nikki P. Laurito from BSA 3A and I am here today to share to you my analysis about the story of the Tale of the Three Apples. So, the Tale of the Three Apples is a narrative from 1001 Nights. It represents the intricate storytelling tradition of classical Arabic literature. So, the story begins with a shocking discovery. A chest floating in the river Tigris containing the dismembered remains of a woman. So, this gruesome opening sets the stage for a narrative that is as much about mystery as it is about morality. Then, through its complex structure and evocative symbolism, the tale critiques impulsive judgment and also highlights the importance of seeking truth when delivering justice. So, beyond its entertainment value, this story also serves as a historical mirror, reflecting the value and societal cultures and also challenges of the Abbasid Caliphate. So, one of the most culturally and intellectually vibrant periods in the Islamic Golden Age. So, my central argument is that the tale critiques impulsive judgment and also underscores the need for truth and fairness and justice. So next, let's proceed to the themes and morality. So as its core, the story explores the themes of justice, moral ambiguity, and the consequences of misunderstanding. Justice serves as the central motivator, with Caliph Harun al-Rashid taking on the role of investigator. So this pursuit of justice reflects the societal expectation of accountability from leaders. However, the Caliph's ultimatum: find the murderer within 3 days or face execution. Then they reveals the flaw inherent in leadership under duress. So the story examines the devastating effects of misunderstandings. So the husband's rash decision to murder his innocent wife based on the slave's deceit exemplifies the danger of acting without full knowledge. So the resolution there is that through providing closure comes at a great emotional cost. So forcing readers to grapple with the limitations of retributive justice and the potential for redemption. So now let's proceed. That's for the themes and morality. Now let's proceed to the character analysis. So the characters are intricately designed to evoke empathy and provoke critical reflection. So let us have first the husband. So he is a figure of tragedy. His journey from a loving spouse to a remorseful perpetrator highlights the fragility of human decision making. So his fragility of human decision making question whether grief can serve as mitigation for kanang wrongdoing. So next we have the slave. So as the antagonist, his lie drives the tragedy, representing the destructive power of deceit and also manipulation in human relationships. So next we have the Wazir Ja'afar. So torn between duty to his caliph and the kanang seemingly impossible task of solving the mystery, Ja'afar personifies the struggle of navigating justice in a world full of human imperfections. So next character we have Caliph Harun al-Rashid. So while a symbol of authority, his impulsive deadlines and severe punishments underscore the imperfections of even the most revered leaders. And now let's proceed to symbolism and imagery. So the tale's use of symbolism amplifies its themes and emotional depth. So first, in the Three Apples, it initially symbols of love and also sacrifice. So they transform into emblems of misunderstanding and tragedy. So their pivotal role in the plot demonstrates how minor details can carry monumental consequences. So next, from the Three Apples, we have the River Tigris. So the River Tigris, it is a metaphor for hidden truths, and also the river emphasizes the kanang inevitability of justice, and also the kanang what we call that, the unearthing of kanang concealed secrets. So next we have the chest and the mantilla. So these objects they represent concealment, meaning they reflect the layered complexities of human emotions. And that's for the symbolism and imagery. Now let's proceed to the kanang historical and cultural context. So in historical and cultural context, it is the narrative that reflects the societal and judicial values of the Abbasid Caliphate. So where swift justice and kanang loyalty to authority were kanang paramount. So the tale also offers insight into the oral storytelling tradition of the time, where kanang stories were tools for both education and entertainment. So the emphasis on justice aligns with the Islamic principles of fairness and also accountability. So while the moral ambiguities challenge these simplistic notions of good versus evil. So that's for the historical and cultural context. So lastly, for the conclusion, my literary analysis for the tale of the Three Apples transcends its role as a simple story, because through its intricate plot, morally complex characters, and also rich symbolism, it critiques impulsive decision making, and also it underscores the value of truth in justice. So its layered narrative structure mirrors the complexities of human morality, making it a timeless piece of kanang literature. So this tale kanang not only entertains, but also it also educates. This tale not only entertains, but also it educates. It is because it urging readers to reflect on the kanang implications of their own actions and judgments. So in its lessons on patience, understanding, and fairness kanang nagpabilin nga relevant in the contemporary discussions about kanang justice and morality. So motto, by kanang exploring this story in depth, we can gain kanang not only an appreciation of its narrative, but also kanang brilliance, and a greater kanang understanding of kanang the enduring greater understanding of the enduring and also the cultural significance it carries. So for conclusion, again, the story remains a timeless reminder of the kanang importance of understanding and reflection in the pursuit of justice. So this analysis invites readers to not only appreciate the tale's narrative brilliance, but also reflect on its enduring moral lessons. So that would be all for my analysis about the story, the Tale of the Three Apples. And I hope you listen carefully. Thank you so much, everyone, and goodbye.